Hello everybody, and welcome back. We're looking at question number 15 on the 2007 Pascal paper. Clara knocks over 2 stacks of blocks shown in the diagram. So we got 2 stacks of blocks here. Then she uses the blocks to build a similar stack, whose top layer has 1 block, and each layer below has 1 more block than the layer above it. So we start with 1, then 2, and then it would be 3. And we're just going to keep going. If she builds the largest possible stack, how many blocks will be left over? So she only has these blocks that she knocked over to work with. Now, these blocks form, or sort of illustrate what we call a triangular number. These form a nice little triangle. And the number of blocks that you would need to create a triangle is what we call a triangular number. So here we've got 15. Here we've got 21. Other triangular numbers are things like 6, 3, 1. Now, we don't need to know triangular numbers in order to do this question. Okay, that's not needed. But if you're interested in going on and doing other upper year contests, things like the Cayley and the Fermat, triangular numbers come up a fair bit. So it's useful to know the first few of them. It's useful to know a formula for them. And it's useful to be able to recognize them when they're lying about. Now here we have our triangle pattern actually shown to us in a diagram. So that's useful, but we don't actually need triangular numbers to do this. What we need to do is just figure out how many blocks we have and what the biggest possible stack we have, what the biggest possible stack we can make is, and just figure out how many the boxes are left over. Okay? So, it won't be that hard. What I would suggest you do, rather than just start from the beginning again, is take this stack of 21. Obviously, we can make a stack of 21 and just start taking from these 15 and adding them onto the bottom. So we'll need 7 more here. So I noticed in total we have 36. So we have 15 plus 31, or plus 21. We have 36 of the blocks. We know we can do one with 21. That'll have a base of 6. So the next thing we would want to add is a layer of 7. Do we have 7 blocks that we can add to form a layer of 7? So they've done the work for us. This is 21. So that's 21 out of our 36 blocks. We have 15 left over at this point. Could we take 7 of them and add them to the bottom? Absolutely. Then we'll have 8 blocks left over. So that's our layer of 7. Now, what would be the next layer? We would need 1 more, so we would need 8. Do we have 8 blocks left to add to this bottom layer? You're right, we do. And that would leave 0 blocks left over. And that's because 36 is a triangular number. So if you recognize that, you could probably say, yep, it's a triangular number. I don't really need to know what the dimensions of my triangle are going to be. So yeah, I guess maybe knowing triangular numbers could have sped this up, but it honestly didn't take that long for us to figure it out anyway. So there's 0 that are left over. I think that was A. Let's just double check. Yep, A, 0. There are 0 blocks left over. Clara can stack them all. Alright, so that's a nice little question, and then coming up next will be question number 16. I hope to see you guys for that then, but that'll be in the next video. So until then, take care.